Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Mars. That is Marrs. And we are going to react to the song Pump Up the Volume. This is our first time single take honest reaction to the song as well as I think Mars.
There was a song called, I think a similar title, Pump Up the Volume, and it went like that. Pump up the volume, pump up the volume, pump, 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 pump.
Okay.
So if it's that song, then I vaguely remember it, but I have heard it ages ago when I was a kid. So if it's
So
the
will
same
it be
song.
like Mickey? Tony Basu?
Not as popular as that.
Not
I
like
don't
that.
think it's as popular as that one. But I'm not sure if it's the same song.
Okay, it could be something
It could be
else.
something else. Mars. Because doesn't seem to go with the earlier song of Toadies, requested by the same patron.
Yeah.
So Toadies was more grunge, alternative.
Yeah, rock.
But this was like disco or something, house disco kind of thing. So it wouldn't go well, but never know. Anyway, what we do is we make pure, raw, unscripted, spontaneous, impromptu reactions every single reaction video. What that means is we don't pause the music while listening to it, unlike most reactors on the platform who do pause it and irritate the hell out of music lovers like me. So they do pause the music sometimes every 20 seconds just to say, wow, I didn't like that, or I like that, oh, this reminded me of that, oh, did I have my mates today? So, so we don't do all that. We listen to it as music lovers in one go, in one flow. When I invite friends over to my place or I go to my friend's place, all of us are music lovers, and even Kirti's friends come over, family, etc. And we listen to music, especially for the first time. We don't keep pausing it in the middle. We turn it on, we switch it on, and we all listen to it in one go. That's how we make our reactions too. And after we are done, then we just relax, discuss it, what we liked about it, didn't like, things that resonated with us, whether musically, lyrically, etc. That's what we do, and we love it because it comes so naturally to us, because that's essentially who we are. We like analyzing things, discussing things, sharing our opinion on things, honestly, sincerely, frankly. And yes, there may be people who don't like the way we do things because it's so honest and everyone almost out there is dishonest. So yes, they may not approve of our honesty and sincerity, but that doesn't mean we stop doing it the way we do it. We'll keep doing it the way we do it because so many people love us. And that shows by the views, the likes, the comments, and more than that, the fact that we are still around making so many reactions.
Pump
Of
up the
course,
volume.
YouTube is unpredictable and life is more unpredictable.
Even
these
more
days.
than it.
So we may be here today, gone tomorrow, and you may be here today, gone tomorrow. So let's just enjoy the music if it can be enjoyed. Mars, pump up the volume. Probably the same one.
Yo, all you homebrides out in Bronx, this one's for you.
Pump up the volume, pump up the volume, pump up the volume.
Get down.
Brothers and sisters, pump up volume, pump up the volume, dance, dance.
Put the needle on the record. 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 When the drum beats go like this.
Pump up the volume, pump up the volume, pump up the volume, dance, dance.
Well, that was fun.
Since I probably heard this, it's the same song, I think.
I think.
So
yeah.
what is your opinion?
Your description
firstly?
matched it. I enjoyed it. This is a fun song, and it is one of those songs which is catchy, which is nice, at the same time not offensive lyrics. We reacted to a song called Sir Mix-a-Lot, and that was a lot of mixing of profanity and whatnot. I like this. I would choose this anytime better than that. People came and said you don't get it and that's not the kind of music. This I get it. I do get music, but I don't get the language. Well, why? Why do people need to make it mess it up? Why does it have to be messed up? Unless you have something wrong in your mind or wrong with your mind, one of the two. I enjoyed the song. At times, it reminded me of those trips to the haunted, scary rooms in amusement parks. What do they call in English? I don't know. We call it Bhoot Bangla. Bhoot is a ghost and Bangla is like
You mean those scary tunnels?
yeah, with all the things cropping up and scaring you. The entire tour to the place. As children, we used to really be amused. Even today, I like it. I like the trip to those places when you enter and things can just pop up from somewhere or the other. And these days, even employees, those who are, who take you on the tour inside, they do creative stuff as well. The last time I was visiting, we were in this cart and behind, because they have to accompany you, they don't know what can go wrong. Sometimes people are of faint heart and, things can severely go wrong. So the guy who was sitting at the back, even before we could start on the tour, he had something, a heart, really looking ugly heart, and he popped it from behind just to scare us even before the tour. So it's getting more creative. But I like this music. I like the turntables, so much of it. And then great music. It was fun.
Yeah, a lot of those scratching sounds, as well as I like what was done at the end, that Arabian kind of accent,
It's a song, I
Middle
think.
Eastern accent put into it very well. I think it's sung by one of these
It's
singers,
a separate
female
song, I'm
singers,
saying, I think.
beautifully infused into this dance tune. Very well done. Everything was very well done. It's all about turning up the volume, pumping up the volume, and dancing, enjoying yourself, letting your hair down, putting on your dancing shoes, just grooving to the music, going with the flow, and so enjoyable. There were a couple of other lines in there, seemed more hardcore than the rest of the song, but I'll just leave it for now. I enjoyed it. It mainly talked about just pumping up the volume and dancing,
Yeah.
and it really, really enjoyable. Very enjoyable to listen to. Yeah.
Huh.
Do you think there was anything else in there that you missed or you would like to talk about?
Now I'm only getting worried because you said there were other things in there, and if you really have to go for the other side of things,
We don't need to go.
other
It's okay.
implications.
We are almost
so
out of time
pump up
anyway.
the
so
volume
let's-
and putting the needle on the record, and I don't know if it has any implications.
No, all
or
that.
not.
I think all that was
It's
all
clean.
All clean. I'm talking about other two lines were there, but anyway, let it be.
Okay.
Since it doesn't matter to us, let's not discuss it.
Okay, no problem.
That's it for this one. Goodbye.